I guess since Josh passed out again, he wants another Buddha stamp. He said he wasn't no dothead, but I think he is a dothead. Do 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 do.
Hey!
Hey! Maybe he's a Hitler head. Queen Amidala. Hey, Queen Amidala. Queen Amidala.
Of Naboo.
Of Naboo. He's awake, but he has no idea what's going on around him in his natural habitat. When's the last time you shaved? Double dog. He's trying to raise a hand.
He can't raise a hand to shit his lunch.
Hell yeah, high five. Why'd you pass out on us, Josh? Too much alcohol?
No, I can get up right now.
No balls, you can't get up. You can't get up, you right ear homosexual having...
If you're a man, stand up.
We gotta do more, we got...
If you're a man, stand up.
If you're a man, get your ass up off the floor. We got vodka to drink.
If you're a man, stand up.
Josh, walk to me.
Holy cow.
He rises from the grave.
Holy shit. No, you drink it first.
Okay, look at Josh. Slushy, the proof is in the pudding.
Pudding.
It's slushy, it's good.
It's in the pudding. In the pudding.
He can't even get it to his mouth. He's licking it. Drink it. You caught in the hole. You call that a fucking drink? Look at this. That's a fucking drink of vodka there.
Alright, back to these drawers. 3 down, 2 left. Yeah, I'm gonna pick the one up.
Bullets at Lumpy Lucas and mullet mucus up motherfucking church. Watch them move like they all Judas Priest preaching 33 and slanging the Mason teachings. I ain't even a Mason, I'm just a shiznick with dimensions. Wizard lid, flick the wrist and double dribble a syllable till the drop is rippling and the hurricane hits and rips them and
Zach attack is getting crazy over here. Zach attack. You'll still have to stand it. This is just me a touch up of standing.
Is there any way to make this even now? The stand. I'll just go look like that's the stand.
Yeah, don't do that.
We'll have to make it easy, no?
No, don't go. Rip like that. Don't do it again.
How am I going to get that to match? Still a little high. She says this is better than sanding. This is actually much better because you do it. No. This is hours to sanding. Maybe I'll do the bottom. Slightly. Yeah.
Zach attack.
I'm gonna do the bottom. I'm doing the bottom.
He likes it a lot.
I'm a plywood, I don't think. It's like
Look at the line gimmicks. California love, not the butt. I call it she man business. Old McDonald got eyeliner and lipstick. Fucking flamers with lit wicks. Lyrically getting your wig split. Language arts and language darts. Puncture hard arteries. John Wick. That's my mute button, but it's good nonsense. Sideline is Wi-Fi watching guy inside him and it's faucet. My flow broken sinking faucet.
It's going well.
Like a damn one dry as a bone fossil. Talking gym and jogging, but he run it like
really well. I'm happy.
Thought he was sitting on top, but there's a cap on his noggin. Shots getting you nightly. Nick the sandbox, my sandlot, bitch. Pallet doors with hinges. I kicked off before I walked in. Just think I rap like this, and I was born after the Walkman. You could walk, but still not walk shit. I'm so hot, call this guy walking, been snapping like it's a glow stick. Rappers stand around each other, manager like yo, go notice. But I see they never propel past being nothing more than a novice. I'ma show off when the show's off. Some people win it for the showbiz, but now the show's off and the carbon copy's floppy and they get noticed. Not for talent or the passion, just duplicating. Oh shit. And Kalani atomically like Kamikaze, stay feeding the beast to the mode flip. So dope, no coke, give you my nose, knows what's up and down like a blood drip. Get a nap in, let me get a napkin. When I nap for good, you still know my kin. Eternity flirting, infinity certain, the entity curse with an infinite purpose. Enemies remedy, empty, no limit, no spitting with feminist wordage. And I'm not in this shit, well fuck you, come get me. Wish a motherfucker would. White lightning make a split trade. Fuck it, I worry about the police when I'm through. I need more bars, no Nashville motherfucker. Impossible to discredit. Nostradamus with a pen feather. Cut him up with an essay, and I ain't talking about no class paper. I'm grade A, sick when I hiccup and I spit a grenade. Mentally slick my psyop, beat drop this psycho mind invade. Then get flushed by me when this game is played. Got razor blades taped on the ace of spades. Alive, labeled as a lake of raid. They wish I would, then raft is made. And I start a war on your property the proper way. Even evil slate, if you're scared in any sense, then go and light the sage. Craft it any which way. Hillbilly killing, let me rip the page. You burning church, nobody, cause that news is fake. Eating rappers off a different plate. Done been noticed by a few race.
Alright, I'm
gonna start a new race. I'm murderous, get a new case. Nashville and I'm a mass villain. Batman better than the home stakes. I'm running around like a vigilante. Now I'm killing off all the toothpaste. I ain't about the police when I'm cruising. Hell, that ain't no thing like this. Try to steal me something that you
Yeah, it needs to go deeper.
Try to skill me something action movies stupid. So many lines, more than Luke couldn't even do it. Kalani on the beat, motherfucker.
Okay, get in the groove. One wrong move and you split it like that. I was being so gentle. Tapping, gentle taps. Gentle taps. I still broke it. Now I'm just. Cleanup time?
I think so. Unless they set the clock on.
Ah, it's cleanup time. I got the bathroom this week. Well, let's go clean the bathroom. Piso mojado. Wet floor. It's about to be anyway.
The only poison I've had is ivy. The only man I fear is God. No snakes can make me run now, 'cause I've been bit by a moth. No bug can stare me down. No neighbor can shut me up. I'm off the grid and I'm off my rock. I'm off in the hollow sun. We them holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on shoulder and a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that screen door, no shirt on, leaving two black marks down a one-way road.
Alright. Bathroom's clean. Let's take out the trash.
The only fight I've ever been in was taking up for somebody else. The only time I got my jaw jacked is never, but damn sure not quite yet. The times I miss the most are the times nobody knows. When it was me, my cousin, and a couple of my buddies racing down old Sam's Creek Road. We them
Let's see here.
holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on the shoulder and a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that screen door.
All right.
Shirt on, leaving two black marks.
Oh man, kind of hungry again. I'm gonna go see what snacks I have. Alright, now we're ready to get back to work.
Farmer's joy, we them holler boys. Holler if you're needing something done. Holler if you need a chip on a shoulder or a hand with a loaded gun. We them holler boys.
Alright, let's give her a go again.
Holler if you need a chip on a shoulder and a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that screen door, no shirt on, leaving two black marks down a one-way road. Yeah,
Gotta get some glue on this corner now, I suppose. Fits nicely. Alright. Look at that. Nice. We like it when that happens. Now, get another drawer. One more down, one more to go. This one. Next thing I need to do is cut all my backs right about here.
Excellent!